What's wrong?
I'm just thinking like, hi. Look.
So our first video, we thought we'd do a little bit of something to do with makeup really and beauty. I'm a makeup artist, I'm also a hairdresser, and
Me, I'm a guinea pig.
yeah, it was a guinea pig for a long time.
All through his training, like literally tried all sorts. I had the biggest fake lashes on, felt like, I don't even know, I couldn't even open my eyes.
Like wings.
I remember the first time also, he was practicing his liquid liner, and I was sat there like this for about half an hour, because I literally thought it was going to run in my eyes, it just felt so cold and wet, which was quite a strange experience. But yeah, I've learned a few things, plus also, I think I've got quite a good eye for detail, and I'm usually right. Growing up, experimenting, I experimented with makeup myself. If you'd have seen me back in the day, you'd have seen that I had the worst ever lip liner. It was so dark and there was no lipstick to blend it in, it was just harsh. And then I also used to wear a lot of mascara, especially clear mascara.
We decided we was going to get a collection of items that vary in product, obviously from lip, mask, eyeshadow, all that sort of stuff, a bit of a mixture, and it's all from what we know as TKMaxx.
So I always like to give a little bit of background and a little bit of information, because I like to research, I'm pretty sad like that. But I think if you're going to talk about something, you should be well informed, otherwise you can't truly have an opinion, or give a educated opinion on something. So I think it's really important to do a bit of research. It was founded in 1976, and it was founded by Bernard Camerata. I think that's how you say it, Camerata. The first store in the US was actually opened in Framingham, Massachusetts, and it was brought over to the UK. Our very first store was in 1994, and that opened in Bristol. Then they spread throughout the rest of the UK. The stores also spread throughout Europe as well, and they now also have stores in Germany, Poland, Austria and the Netherlands. They even have stores in Australia.
Originally it was called TJMaxx, but coming to the UK they changed the name so they wouldn't get confused with another company with similar name, so they changed it to TKMaxx instead of TJMaxx, which is what it's known in America.
We go there quite regularly, so what we've done is got a bag each.
I was after a small sort of smudge brush that's similar to this, but I want it in a flat version, and I found this set here. This set is $5.99 here, that we got at TKMaxx. It's a shading eye trio brush set, and it retails for $5.99, so normal price.
No saving there.
No, not there.
We actually researched this as well to just make sure, like, what you're saving.
Set of 3 brand new brushes. They feel quite nice quality. Yeah, they are. They're quite sturdy. They're numbered. The bristles are lovely and soft as well.
They are really nice.
They are a natural hair as well, they're not synthetic. So yeah, that's good. Some new brushes to play around with. Yeah, by BH Cosmetics.
Right, something for me, that I saw in his work, we've got to hold them. I got these set of oval brushes. They're by IB Beauty, Innovation Beauty.
How much did you pay?
Wait, I ain't even shown them the actual brushes yet. Like, brushes are actually really nice. Like, really, really nice. It's the packaging. And then, obviously, on there it tells you what brushes for what, how, and what you should use it for. I actually paid $19.99 for these from TKMaxx. and they should have been £22.57.
So that's a saving of about £3.
And that was the cheapest that we actually could find them for, other than at TKMaxx. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using these.
So I've got a set of cargo lipsticks, a limited edition liquid lip kit, in colours nude, berry and red. So that's those.
And the main reason we actually chose these is because if you look on them, they've got snowflakes. So it was some kind of Christmas limited edition.
These we purchased for £5.99, but they do retail at £19.95 as it says on the sticker. I've never used anything that's cargo before, so I'm not really sure on what the products are like. And they've labelled it. They've got these security labels on that are just horrendous.
But also, since recently we've noticed with TKMaxx, which never used to happen, is they've actually started sealing makeup. Especially like the lip stuff.
And the eyes.
But even so, people still go in and they bust them open. So what are these lipsticks saying?
So yeah, this one is in colour nude. It's a very nice colour. Each one is individual wrapped, so that's a good thing, going on about what you just said. So...
Oh, they are, they're sealed as well. Actually in the packaging. We're still getting used to this. But no, because we have different skin tones and textures, we can give a better review, in my opinion, because we can say whether it works for light and dark skin right here in one channel, one video, so it saves you time. This one I've got is called Berry. It's a nice colour actually. There's no smell.
I'd rather no smell than a chemically smell.
Yeah, I actually do like some of the lipsticks which are actually scented. Kylie Jenner scents hers, which are quite nice actually.
So does Jeffree Star. Some of his smell nice.
Yeah.
Some.
Yeah, they do actually, I'm not going to lie. And I know you bitches are going to read us for filth, and you know what? Bring it on! Right, back to me. These actually, again, this is... Tom can do this, because this was actually for Tom.
Okay, so same company as the mermaid brushes that in the set of 5 that you've just seen. These are by ID Beauty, again made in Australia and designed in Australia. They're a high performance brush, but there's only a set of 3. We purchased them for £10 and they retail at $11.29. No, $12.99. Sorry,
£13.
So yeah, I haven't got many of these brushes, these oval brushes, so I've not really used them. So for me, having this small selection would be enough for me for what I wanted to do. I would use it on my contour and my highlight more than anything else. So yeah, the brushes themselves are...
Bit thirsty.
They're black and like a rose gold. The rose gold is plastic. It doesn't look like a cheap plastic, but you can tell it's plastic. The actual handle itself is obviously cone shaped, horn shaped, and it says ID Beauty on it. But I think it's that sort of matte rubbery sort of feel. I reckon if you've got greasy hands, you'd forever be trying to get the fingerprint or the product off.
And it slides through your fingers quite easily as well, doesn't it?
All in all, the brushes are not human. The brushes are real hair. And they feel quite soft.
You need to do that because they probably all see it. But yeah, a bitch can carry it in the handbag, and if she gets touched, she can juck in your eye. She can juck in your eye.
Never use.
Right, back up. I'm armed and dangerous. That's what I'd do anyway.
Okay. Okay, so next one is a Getaway eyeshadow set. It's a set of 12 colours by Cargo. It was $34.99 and we paid $9.99.
It comes in this little flip up. It's magnetic, which is pretty much standard, isn't it? And then there's the actual shadows themselves. Names are a little bit, it's all about travel,
Yeah.
Getting away.
Flight, luggage.
Road trip, journey. I like journey. Journey looks like it's quite a nice purple. I also like vacation as well. It's like a grey, but it's also got like a hint of purple glittery with silver.
I don't think too much to the brush. It looks quite cheap. It's
They
quite
usually are though, aren't they?
cheap plastic. It's one end's nylon and one end's real hair. But even the real hair one doesn't feel particularly nice. So that's not something that we would use. Usually things like that you'd end up tending to throw away.
Comes with a decent sized mirror as well, actually.
Yeah, and a good thing as well that the mirror's actually protected.
Right, something that again I really enjoy doing is I love pampering myself and being pampered. I love being pampered. So we saw these moisturising spa treatment masks, and I'm all about a good mask, a good cleanser, a good moisturiser. They say black don't crack, but I say moisturiser can't help. But yeah, these are actually, we paid $4.99 for these. They're by Spa Subscriptions, and you get 5 treatments in here. And originally they retail for $11.99, so it's not a bad saving actually. Because hydration and moisturisation is a problem for a lot of people, especially like when you have combination skin like myself. It's awful when trying to put foundation on sometimes and you've got parts of your face that are really dry. Like for me it's just around here and occasionally down the side of my nose as well, and it tends to show up really badly on foundation, make it really flaky.
Also, talking about masks, we picked up a few, well, 2 different types, but these are the sachets. One is Skincare Cosmetics by L&L, and it's called Retinol Vitamin Enriched Anti-Aging 3-in-1 Sheet Mask. $1.99. They usually are quite expensive, which I was quite surprised at.
So we snatched it since we saw it.
$16.99 they usually retail at, and this was $1.99.
£2.
And that's those. So we're going to give those a go. It says it smooths fine lines and wrinkles, restores the radiant glow. Well, I think I need all of that, so
I think
any little helps.
Yeah, we could all do with some of that, I'm not going to lie.
And then the other one is, I don't know how I say that, Eliza Becker? Milky
Piggy, yeah.
Silky Creamy Donkey Steam Cream Mask Pack.
It was Donkey Steam that got me. I thought, wow, if it can make a donkey like look good, should do wonders for me.
So it's a set. The price is usually $2.99.
And it's Korean.
No, sorry. This we bought for $2.99, and it is $14.88 normally.
And it's a Korean brand as well.
Yeah, so a lot of the information on the back is quite hard to read because pretty much none of it's in English. But what they have done is they have labelled it and put like a brief description of what products are in there for allergy notice and things like that. So yeah, that's something else we can try. It's another mask.
And they've also put the caution on the actual packaging itself. So
oh yeah.
It actually says
in English.
Yeah, in English, which is really good. But it's even better that they've actually made a sticker to stick on so we can actually see what it contains, what active ingredients it has. But it's Korean and Japanese skincare is some of the best.
Yeah, and it's something to look out for. They've got a lot of new stuff on the market in Europe and America we don't really see much of, and that's something that's slowly moving over towards us. So keep an eye out for a lot of the Korean, Japanese and Chinese skincare products, because there's some good ones in.
Oh, I'm looking forward to this one. I saw this one and I was like, yeah, that's for me. It's cherry mayo. Mayo. Try that again. Cherry mayo. So extra. And it's a glow stick. Like, every bitch likes to shine. But yeah, this is a highlighter.
It's for him because it says on it, so extra, which is
yeah,
kind of how I would describe him.
I'm just being a little bit subdued today because this is like our first video, so I'm quite shy. I'm shy anyway. If ever you meet me in person, you'll realise I'm not like, ah, although I can be, depending what day you catch me on and what kind of mood I'm in. But yeah, I try not to be extra all the time. That's kind of it. Speaking of hydration, this is just something I use. I use it all the time. It's one of my favourite brands, and he has them too. We have loads of these. They're by W7, called Lip Balm, and they are, trust me, the bomb. So
it's a secret love egg.
yeah. If mine ever goes missing, I know exactly where to go. Not that I'd use it again after that, straight in again. Another thing, again, a running theme, more face masks. This one actually is anti-aging serum in it. It's by a company called Lux Beauty Care Signature, and yeah, like we can all do anti-aging. Don't matter how old you are, it's never too early to start. The thing is, the earlier you start, the more likely you are to have results. And this, we actually bought this for $4.99. And if you actually buy it from Lux themselves, it actually costs $19.99. So that is like a huge saving of almost £15 basically, which is a lot of money, isn't it?
What does it say it does?
It says anti-aging serum, soothing 15-minute facial therapy, minimises the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, delays effects of skin aging.
Like I said earlier, something I need.
Every bitch needs some of that.
So another one, actually this is a good one because it follows on from the W7 lip that it's just been talking about. This is the Glam Box. It's a set of 3 palettes of eyeshadows. They do Midnight Smoky Shades, Colour Me Nude Natural Shades, and Colour Me Buff Natural Nudes. So that's the set.
3.
By W7. They've got quite an array of colours. Caramel's quite a caramel colour.
Yeah, Jewel's really nice as well.
Yeah, so that's something that we bought for $12.99 and it's worth $24.95.